Hello and welcome to the English speaking classes with Santosh Rajput. So friend, today I am going to share an amazing technique with you. That technique is a very important. So first let me tell you why did I say 21 day. Actually 21 day is enough to improve your fluency by using this technique. If you seriously follow this technique, then I say that 21 day is enough to see amazing result in your fluency by using this technique. Okay, because I have also seen amazing result by using this technique in 21 day. So I think 21 days are enough if you are seriously using this technique. Okay, so first let me tell you how did I get this technique before revealing the technique. Actually, what happened at my offline classes, English learner they used to keep complaint to me, sir. Sir, we don't have anyone in our friend circle, in our family, with whom we can make a practice. So I thought that is a genuine problem because without making practice, we can't improve our fluency in English speaking. So, for being fluent, practice is very necessary. So I thought about this problem for a long time. After a long time, I got this idea as a technique that so I used this technique in my English speaking, in my English fluency, because I am also from Hindi medium, because I am from Middle India. So my native language, my mother tongue is Hindi. So some time ago, I couldn't speak a single sentence in English or understand, but right now I'm quite satisfied. I'm not saying that I'm fluent, but I'm saying that I'm quite satisfied with my fluency. Okay, by so how did I get this fluency? By using this technique. So first I share this technique with my offline classes students. Then I have seen amazing result in those students who followed this technique seriously. Then I thought that why I should share this technique with my online viewers. So that's why I am here to share this technique with you. Okay. So friend, now let me reveal the technique. What is the technique? Actually, what happened? Daily, 99% conversation happen in our mother tongue. Okay. Suppose that I am from Middle India, so my mother tongue is Hindi. So I 99% discussion in English language, sorry, in a Hindi language, because my Hindi is my mother tongue. So this happened with everyone. So having different type mother tongue is not matter. Every English learner can use this technique. Okay. So technique is what is the technique? Technique is that if you use this technique, that if you use this technique in your English fluency, so what is the technique is that actually technique is that whatever you are speaking in your mother tongue, try to convert that matter in English. It means try to convert your mother tongue into English language in your mind. There is no need to speak loudly. So it means this technique is a very safe. Actually, what happens? Usually we scared that if I speak wrong, then someone laugh at me. So because of this fear, we don't speak, and we don't make a practice with anyone. So in this condition, if you follow this technique, so you can convert your thought from your mother tongue into English in your mind. Okay, I know in the beginning of the period you feel difficulty in this converting process. Okay, but after 5 to 6 days, 5 to 6 days is enough for being habitual of this converting process. Okay, when you will be habitual of this converting process, you will enjoy this technique. Or if you seriously follow this technique for 21 day, I promise to you in 21 day, after 21 day, you will see amazing result in your fluency. You will be shocked. Okay. So I hope that okay. Let me give example. How will you make a convert your mother tongue into English language? I am from as I said to you, I am from Middle India. So my mother tongue is Hindi. ओके सो मैं अपनी माँ से मेरा कन्वर्सेशन हो रहा है जैसे कि मम्मा मुझे बाज़ार जाना है और मुझे वहाँ से कुछ मार्केट से कुछ लाना है ओके क्योंकि मेरा फ्रेंड आ रहा है तो इतना मैंने हिंदी में बोला माँ से ठीक है अब इसको मुझे इंग्लिश में कैसे कन्वर्ट करना है इसको मुझे इंग्लिश में कैसे कन्वर्ट करना है वो मुझे माइंड में करना है ठीक है बोलना नहीं है तो कैसे कन्वर्ट करूँगा मम्मा आई एम गोइंग टू मार्केट to get some stuff because my friend is coming to meet me ओके ये मतलब अभी तो मैंने आपको बोल के दिखाया बट आपको नहीं बोलना आपको सिर्फ माइंड में ही मतलब आपको सिर्फ माइंड में ही कन्वर्ट करना है डिड यू गेट माई पॉइंट you don't need to speak you just convert your mother tongue into English in your mind okay so this is very safe technique if you think that this video is useful for you or if you want to get this type of video in future so make it subscribe and like because your like will give me a motivation to make another video so thank you for watching this video